Introducing Seiko's Melody in Motion wall clock demonstration. Seiko presents Melodies in Motion, a wall clock elegantly encompassed by a brown braid pattern case. It also includes 10 colorful sparkling LED lights, a light sensor, volume control, electronic easy set feature, an on and off switch. It also comes with 6 D batteries that are included, and glass Swarovski crystals. On the hour, the clock plays one of 6 total hi-fi Broadway melodies with intro, segue, and outro music. So let's get started with the demonstration. This is our intro segue music. So each hour this will chime. And our first Broadway Melodies in Motion is Tonight, from the Broadway musical West Side Story. Okay, and that's our outro music is coming here, and the ball will, the face of the clock will go back up. The doors close. Our flute player takes a break for an hour, and then at the second hour, it would chime another Broadway melody musical. Again, we have the and again, segue intro music. Ball drops down. Flute player is going to come out and serenade us. What Broadway musical would this be from? Melody from the Broadway musical Cats. Understand what happiness is when you get yourself a Seiko Melodies in Motion wall clock. Ah, that was wonderful. And that concludes 2 of 6 of the Broadway musically melodies, with the segue outro music playing right now as the ball lifts up. And our little flute player goes back in for the next hour. Okay, demonstrating 3 of 6 of Broadway melody musicals. Once again, our introduction music, signifying another hour has gone by. Seiko is telling the time. The clock drops down. What time is it? Oh boy, we'll find out in a minute. What time is it? Broadway melodies. Phantom of the Opera, the theme song from the Phantom of the Opera. That concludes Melodies in Motion Broadway melody number 3 of 6, Phantom of the Opera. We're going to go on to demonstration number 4 as soon as the clock rises back up. Demonstrate Seiko's Melody in Motion number 4 of 6. Again, this is our intro segue music. Time is it? A time for another Broadway Melodies in Motion. Danced All Night. I Could Have Danced All Night by My Fair Lady. One of my favorite to watch on film. Never seen it on stage, but I'd love to. That little flute player looks like he can dance all night too. concludes the Broadway Melodies 4 of 6 from My Fair Lady Danced All Night. And the demonstrator, here we go, he's going up. We've had the batteries, we don't let it go every hour because I don't like it to startle me, but the 6 D batteries that were included with this 5 years ago are still working. Alrighty, demonstration 5 of 6 here on the Melodies in Motion by Seiko. What time is it? It's time to find out what number 5 of 6 is going to be. The clock's dropping down to give us another Melodies in Motion. And here we go. America. From the Broadway musical again, West Side Story. There's 2 of these. West Side Stories is a 50s tale about gangs and cliques for you younger audience. Yes, it's from the 50s and it may be a little mild, but it's all about prejudice, racism. It's a good story. And we're broadcasting to you right from our home in Las Vegas in the United States of America. Okay, our little guy's going up, and that's the outro music for 5 of 6. We have 1 more to go on our demonstration, the Seiko's Melody in Motion wall clock. And here we go, demonstration 6. I swear, the tension is mounting, suspense. Here we go, we're going to play you the last of 6 of the Seiko Melodies in Motion wall clock that my mom gave me for Christmas. What is it, folks? The hills are alive with the sound of music from The Sound of Music. Another one of my favorites. And when we play this in here, the living room is filled literally with the sound of music. Oh, there he goes. He's popping it again. Surprise, he says. It's not over yet. All right. And that is the demonstration for Seiko's Melody in Motion wall clock demonstration. We thank you very much for watching and enjoying our Seiko's wall clock Melodies in Motion. And special thank you to all the people in Japan where they seem to like it a lot. We get a lot of our viewers from there. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.